Seamless tracking of assets across an entire industrial campus can enable the automation of tasks and improve end-to-end processes. We tested new real-time location capabilities added into industrial cellular networks to provide broad tracking coverage across indoor spaces. Existing ultra-wideband sensors provide higher levels of location accuracy in the areas that need it most. Our innovation project evaluated the integration of both location technologies through standardized middleware to provide the perfect balance between coverage and precision. In an example intralogistics scenario, materials are delivered to the factory on a pallet tracked via the mobile network. The entry is detected in real time by the LTE location system, and a transport order is automatically generated. The materials are registered in the ERP system and UWB tags fitted for future processing. A worker is notified to deliver the materials to the warehouse for storage. With LTE location services, a general location for movable assets can be displayed. This shortens search times for forklifts, which are usually parked at the location of last use. The interoperability between the two technologies enables seamless tracking across the whole factory. As the pallet moves into the warehouse and assembly areas, high-precision UWB can now track the individual materials on the pallet. As the materials are stored in the warehouse, their precise position is automatically recorded using the tracking information and a geofence. When materials are needed for assembly, the availability and location are quickly and easily determined. And as materials are delivered to precisely defined areas on the assembly line, a trigger is automatically sent to production control systems to initialize the required assembly operation. Finished products are later loaded onto a pallet, tracked by LTE, and transported to the logistics area. This automatically updates the status of the product and signals its readiness for pickup and delivery. Find out today how this innovation project could apply to your business.